Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, and today's box is pretty big. So here it is, a big box, and it's Sunwind Miniflame heater I'm going to open today. But before we do that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here is the big box we are going to open today. But I will go through the specs on this one first, because the specs is on the side of this box, so that makes everything easier. Sunwind Miniflame heater. The effect is 630 to 1550 watts, and the size is 30 by 15 by 40 centimeters, and it has also a ignition fuse and a CO2 fuse, heat radiation, and it has also a Piezo Ignition. And you can buy a regular set to it, but that is something you have to buy separately. But shall we open this now? I'm so curious to see how this look like. And this one weighs, by the way, 2.6 kilo. So that's not bad, actually. And I open it with my folder knife today. A little flick on the wrist, and then let's begin to cut this baby open and see what we got. Nice cut. Let's see if I can cut this open better. There we go. And I think I have to put this box down, so that makes everything easier. I don't want to have it in my lap, because that would be a total difficult mess if I'm afraid to drop it, so I don't want to take that chance. So let's see, here is the manual. Yep, it's the manual. It's the language is on Norwegian, Swedish, and Finnish. And by the way, Sunwind is a Norwegian company. And I heard about Sunwind before, and Sunwind has a good reputation. And we have these protective corners. We take those away at the moment. And it does looks like this. And up here we have probably, yeah, you turn it on. Up here you have different, if you're low or high heat, and you have band here, and it looks like this on the back. So I figure out if I could use a smaller gas tube to this. That would be awesome. I haven't figured that out yet, but I will. And or otherwise I have to buy a P5 gas tube for this. And in that case I need the regulator set for it, for this one, to use a P5, and I don't have it. And well, first of all, I like this color. I like black, and you can buy an accessory to this, so you can hang this on the wall if you want to. But I live in an apartment and I don't trust my walls. The walls here in my apartment are not as solid as they should be. They are not good if you're gonna put things up on the walls here. Because when you try to drill in those walls and put something like this up, it turns to dust basically. So you get a larger hole than you want to. So that's not a good idea. So for me, I will put this on the floor and use it that way. And it is probably aluminum, or yeah, it feels like aluminum because it's pretty light. 2.6 kilo is not much for a heater like this. And I will actually use this for emergencies, especially when my portable electrical heaters, radiators doesn't work, if the grid is down for a longer period of time. So what do you think, guys, about this one? Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And you have to use this in a very well ventilated room, and it doesn't hurt to have a carbon monoxide detector as well. And yeah, that doesn't hurt. And this one is you can use in the bathroom or in a guest cottage, but not in your bedroom. That is not advisable. But you can use this on your patio or balcony if you have it. Not open balcony if you have it. Have glass around and a roof. You can use this there as well. So, well, I think this is a really nice heater, and the price for this one is, I believe it was $1,375 or $95. I don't remember that at the moment. But I got this for $799 in my currency. So this one was on sale. So I got 43% off the original price. So so I decided to, well, I buy this because it's was a good price, $799 for this one. That is really good. And Sunwind also have different sizes of these heaters, but those are a little bit more expensive. I think they have one mid-size for around about a little bit over 2,000, and then I have a larger one for about a little bit over 3,000, 4,000, something like that. So, but for my living room, this will work perfectly. So now I need to figure out what kind of gas tube. The description said I should have a P5 gas tube. So that is probably what I need to buy. And a P5 gas tube is pretty expensive to buy. It cost around $1,500 for a P5 gas tube to buy. But this is an awesome heater and a good brand, well known. And this brand has good reviews in general, so it's people thinks it is a reliable and good heater for the price. There are, of course, more expensive heaters as well, but I'm happy to have this, and I will use this at winter time when the power goes out for a longer period of time. So that will be nice. And I think that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Take care, stay safe, stay vigilant, keep prepping. God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.